Hi. There is a good question about the collagen, because I said the collagen is from the animal sources. So the question is, what about the vegetarian? The vegetarian, they could make it naturally in their bodies by providing the essential amino acids and vitamin C and zinc and electrolytes and water. So the collagen, we could do it naturally, but in nature it is usually found in animal sources like bones, skin, and connective tissues. But for vegetarian and vegan, there are no direct plant-based sources of collagen, since it is a protein unique to animals. However, they can support their body's natural collagen production by consuming food rich in vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids like proline and glycine. There are also vegan collagen boosting supplements that contain these nutrients. So it is more about supporting your body's own collagen synthesis. So some key amino acids for collagen synthesis include proline, glycine, and lysine. For vegetarian, they can find proline in foods like cabbage, asparagus, and mushrooms. Glycine is abundant in legumes, spinach, kale, and pumpkin seeds. Lysine can be found in legumes, quinoa, and tofu. So combining these plant-based foods can definitely help your body to produce collagen naturally. Okay, so where is the collagen is produced? It is primarily produced by cells called fibroblasts, which are found in the connective tissues. Inside these fibroblasts, the process begins in the endoplasmic reticulum, where the collagen protein is synthesized, made, and modified. Then it moves to the Golgi apparatus for further processing and packaging. Finally, the mature collagen is secreted outside the cell, where it assembles into strong fibers that give tissues their strength and structure. So there are, of course, when we say endoplasmic reticulum, there are two types. So this is done, the collagen is synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, not the smooth. There are two types. So it is done in the rough, that play the main role in collagen synthesis. That is because the rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes, which are responsible for translating the collagen mRNA, M for messenger and RNA for ribonucleic acid, into protein. Once the collagen is synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which we make it short ER, it moves onto the Golgi apparatus for further modification. So the general process of making or synthesizing collagen is quite similar if we eat animal or collagen from animal sources. So in animals, collagen is synthesized in the Golgi, in the rough endoplasmic reticulum of the fibroblast, just like in humans. So the ribosomes on the rough endoplasmic reticulum, it translates the collagen mRNA, messenger ribonucleic acid into the protein, and then it undergoes modification in the Golgi apparatus before being secreted. So the fundamental mechanism is pretty consistent across different animals, even if the specific types of collagen or their structure might vary. I hope this will answer the question, and I have to translate it in Arabic now. Thank you and goodbye.